leading cause of death for children ages 1 to 4 in South Florida. And with pools, lakes, and canals all around, it's important for families to stay vigilant. Neighbors for Neighbors wants your family to stay safe through our swim safety and drowning prevention campaign. And we've collaborated with the Children's Services Council of Broward County, National Drowning Prevention Alliance, and others to arm you with resources. And as you're about to see from one mother's experience, it's powerful information that saves lives.
Literally 1 minute time and our daughter was taken from us.
Edna Mae McGovern was just a year and a half old when she wandered outside.
Looked around my house, she wasn't there, so then I proceeded to go outside, went past the pool pretty much when I caught the reflection of Em floating in our pool.
People think that when a child's missing, they look under the bed, they look in the closet, they look everywhere except the pool.
All family members were home, but at the time no door alarms had been installed and the pool fence was left open.
In our situation, it could have been a matter of life and death.
With pools, lakes, and canals all around, it's essential parents take precaution.
Identify the risk, minimize it. So safer water, safer kids, safer response. Door locks, door alarms, pool fences, anything that's going to put a barrier up between the child and that body of water.
But the most important safeguard of all, making sure your child learns to swim.
By having a child in swimming lessons, it reduces the risk of drowning by 88%. It literally saves lives.
Another important summer camp